Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place. Did you know that any business owner is on average 7 months away from losing everything? That is the average time it takes from a successful business to fold when an aspect of their business is not set up correctly. Have you ever wanted to get legal advice but didn't understand what was going on? Do you feel like there is a divide between lawyers and their clients? Then this TV show is for you. It is all about empowering you and your business with the knowledge and tools to ensure that this doesn't happen to you. Business Legal Lifecycle TV delivers a twice-weekly show focusing on the legal aspects of your business. At lunchtime on Mondays, we present Fast Fix Monday, a quick 5 to 10 minute show that will give you some actionable steps to consider for the week for your business. And at lunchtime on Wednesdays, we present our in-depth show of between 30 minutes and an hour, where we go through complicated legal aspects of your business in a simple to understand, plain English manner. And whether that is through educational pieces or interviews with experts in their fields.
Afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Fast Fix Monday here at Business Legal Lifecycle TV. As always, I'm here, Craig Mason, one of the founders, and also have with me Jeremy. Say hello, Jeremy.
Hi, everyone. Hope you're having a great day.
Excellent. So today for Fast Fix Monday, we're talking or still expanding on insolvency and winding up. And today we wanted to quickly touch on the 5 consequences of winding up a company. So this is where we're talking about a company is insolvent, and a creditor or the members of the company have decided to appoint a liquidator. The liquidator comes in and does some certain things, as the liquidator term implies. They liquidate the company as part of that role. So we're just going to go through 5 consequences of having a liquidator appointed over your company. So Jeremy, do you want to kick off with the first one?
I will. Number 1 is that the liquidator takes over the control of the company. So that might seem obvious, but it's something that a lot of people don't realize, and that's the fact that the liquidator, they get to make all the decisions and they get to do everything in relation to the company, and you lose control completely. So number 1 is the liquidator takes over control of the company. Craig, number 2.
Yep. Number 2 is a director in name only. So the directors may appear as directors, but they don't have any control, as per Jeremy's first point, over the actual company. So they might be named on, say, the ASIC search as directors, but ultimately they don't have any power to do anything. The liquidator now takes over and makes all those sorts of decisions. So that's number 2. Number 3, Jeremy.
Number 3 is that all of the assets of the company will be sold by the liquidator to satisfy the debt. So if the company's in liquidation, it hasn't paid all its debts, and so therefore the liquidator needs to realise as much money as it can to be able to pay the debts. So they sell all of the assets and then use that money to pay creditors. Craig, number 4.
Number 4 is the directors or someone in the company may still owe debts for personal guarantees. So personal guarantees are something that's normally signed by a director or someone else involved in the company. And as the term describes, they personally guarantee the debt. So if a company went into liquidation, those personal guarantees don't disappear. They become very relevant and important in that situation. So debts can still be pursued under personal guarantees. And that's one of the major consequences of wind-up applications, that probably will happen, and a creditor will go after a director or wherever it might be. So that's number 4. Number 5, finishing up, Jeremy.
Yeah, so the 5th one is that in some industries, government regulations may stop you from being able to trade in your chosen profession. So the classic example that we use is in Queensland. Our building industry is regulated by the QBCC, the Queensland Building Construction Commission. If you have a building company that goes into liquidation, and that is quite a broad definition, you are banned from being able to operate in that industry for a period of 3 years. Different industries have different rules. So you need to be really careful depending on your industry to make sure that if you do have a company that goes into liquidation, that you're across what that might mean for you and your ability to be able to trade your business going forward. Craig, that's the 5 consequences of winding up a company.
Excellent. As Jeremy said, they were the 5. We'll be back again on Wednesday for another edition of Business Legal Lifecycle TV. Wednesday's show is going to be an interview show. So that's where we interview someone in the industry and have them share important things that they've been experienced in, or share some information that might help our listeners or our viewers. So please tune in on Wednesday for our next episode. Until then, we'll see you all later. Bye.
See you on Wednesday. Bye.